Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to draw different types of flowers. First, this is the bamboo tree. I'm just drawing this with a green marker, and then this is easy, just glide it and done. Yeah. For the next one, I'm choosing this green marker, light sparkles I'm drawing, then the dots with the pink one, and then I'm again retracing with a dark pink because it looks good, and then I'm just doing to every petal. You can choose your own colors because it's your choice. And next one, I'm just making the finishing. And for the next one, I'm drawing a heart like structure, so I could just pick up with the rose, and then this is very easy to draw. Then I'm drawing the leaves and then coloring it. In the next one, I'm drawing a line, then drawing a wing, so that I have easy to do this craft. This is very easy way to do it. Like draw these lines and then join it. This is very easy to do. And then I'm drawing these leaves. Then I'm coloring it with the orange or brownish color and green. For the next one, I have already drawn this, and then I choose a dark green to highlight it. This is the upper leaves of a tree, and then I'm drawing this trunk and the branches of the leaves with a brown color because it's usually in the brown. And then it's done. I'm just drawing this and completing it, finishing, and then I will draw it from the down. I will do it green color because it should look like a grass and a good scenery there. I'm just finishing up. For the next one, I took a black marker and draw two circles, one a small one and a big one. And the petals. For the next one, I'm also drawing petals to both the flowers. Then I'm drawing cute eyes on it. Yeah. Then I'm drawing a cute smile. Then a cute faces on it. That's it. Then I'm drawing the leaves. Yeah. And then the branches, the leaves, and then coloring it up. Yeah, this looks very cute. For the next one, I have drawn the layout. This is a layout of a flower, and then I am drawing the petals with the help of this layout. This is the easiest way to draw this type of flower. This is a different angle of a flower, and it is very easy to draw. Then I am drawing dots on the bud and erasing the layout. Then I am drawing different types of leaves because this brings the glory to the flower. Then coloring it with a pink color and yellow and then green leaves. That's it. For the next one, I took a glitter pen, and then I'm drawing this cute butterfly. First a circle, then eyes, then the body, then the wings. Now I'm drawing some designs on the wings because it's very cute. And then I'm drawing the legs. And then I'm drawing a flower basically down where the butterfly is on the flower. Yeah, this is a daisy and it's look very cute. And then I'm drawing some dots on this and then the leaves. I've drawn this with the glitter pen. And for the next one, I'm drawing this minute flowers, tiny one. Yeah, and completing the finish and giving the finishing to the all. Then I'm joining it with a line, and then in the end, I will draw some leaves and then color it up. It looks very good. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.